First, let us define relation. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. I hope you still remember that ordered pairs are those numbers of the form xy. Here is an example. I have here a set of ordered pairs. The first is 1, 2, second 2, 4, third 3, 6, the fourth is 4, 8, the last is 5, 10. The set of the first components of each ordered pair is called the domain of the relation. In here, the domain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The set of the second components of each ordered pair is called the range of the relation. In here, the range is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. We may say that the domain is the group of x values, while the range is the group of y values. Now let us define a function. A function f is a relation that assigns a single value in the range to each value in the domain. In other words, no x values are used more than once. In our example a while ago, this is a function because no x value is used more than once. In here, we're going to use images to define a function. I have here 3 sets of images. In the first image A, this relationship is a function because each input is associated with a single output. Note that input Q and R both give output N. For the second relation B, this relationship is also a function. In this case, each input is associated with a single output. In the third image C, this relationship is not a function because input Q is associated with 2 different outputs. Further, a function is a relation in which each possible input value leads to exactly one output value. We say the output is a function of the input. The input values make up the domain, and the output values make up the range. We can think of a function as a machine. We will input an x and we expect an output y, or we say f of x. An example is here. Our function is x squared. When we input a value x, which is 3, it will come inside the function and the output will be the value 9, and that is the value of y. Let's go now to function notation. The notation y equals f of x defines a function named f. Read as y is a function of x. The letter x represents the input value or the independent variable, the letter y or f of x represents the output value or the dependent variable. The letters f, g, and h are often used to represent functions. We will see f of x, as we see in our example here, or g of x, or h of x.